Alright, so this is the fabric I'm using. I got 4 yards of it because I'm gonna, use the same fabric for the bodysuit, the top covering part. It's just like a performance fabric for a waist stretch, and it looked really nice. It's just a little bit sheer, but it won't be that much of a problem because all the parts that are like private have more than one layer over top of them anyways. For the pattern, I'm using a bodysuit I have. If you don't have a bodysuit, you can use a duct tape pattern over yourself, or use a tank top and underwear, or you can just make it a shirt and tuck it in.
Nico.